Okay, wait, let me just do this. Okay, so I have to like redo the intro because yeah, the audio was working, but basically we got the senior camping trip tomorrow. I think this is the first vlog I'm gonna do, and then I think I'm not gonna vlog till tomorrow morning. I'm probably gonna vlog on the vintage camera just till like we get to the campsite and everything's set up. We got the food in this bag. We got some like more stuff. I have some like more stuff on Amazon coming too. So I mean like yeah, I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow. I'm pretty excited for the trip. It should be fun. Yeah. It's like 6:48. Got the fit on, little fitty. Bag is, let me zoom out for you. Bag is packed. We're on the vintage camera because it's easier. About to go down to Brady's house and he about to drive me. You got the nails done. It's kind of dark, but yeah, let's go. We about to grad camping. Wow. Oh my God, it's bright.
Yeah, we set up the tent.
Oh! We did it. The boys.
We did it. You don't want your big chest right behind.
Why are you on video? Like, oh my God, it's like 20 minutes.
Okay, so usually you're not supposed to like wander off alone, but it's like the middle of the day, low key. So taking a little vacation. I'm gonna get some shots. Look at that mountain. Hold up. Absolutely beautiful.
Yes, I don't smoke weed.
Grundy, first night, how you feeling? Or first like hour, how you feeling?
Fucked up, bruh. Okay, put.
Oh. Look at Grundy, bro. Grundy, it's 1 o'clock. Wait, let me get a video. Let me get a video. Oh my God.
Broke.
Eric, come back.
Oh, that's good.
Eric, 3 o'clock. How are you feeling?
We're going to Tim Hortons. Oh, I'm feeling good. I'm tired.
Okay. Going over. Oh, I don't know if I can even show Ryan. How are you two feeling?
I'm feeling great. Amazing.
Little stop. Ryan, how we feel? Okay.
I'm chill.
I still can't show Ryan's face legally.
It's not that bad. Yo. Oh, is he ugly?
Brady. Nope.
Like what the?
Like, how big is that?
Brady, 5 o'clock. How are we feeling?
I'm. Bro. Wait,
put them on my chair's right there. It's got everything dry.
Sorry, buddy.
Bro, pull it off. I was like, why the fuck?
I couldn't do 6 fucking things at once.
What the?
Bro, what the fuck?
Yo,
when we uncook
Let's
it,
see.
we take our bubble with it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, yeah.
Did you see this?
6 o'clock update on how we feeling.
My name's London Polger. It's 6 o'clock of the first day. You know, it's been lit. We're about to run the Big 2 gauntlet. You know, I'm getting comfy in bed and I'm ready to muck.
Andrew, 6 o'clock. How are we feeling?
Feeling fucking great. About to run up some Big 2.
Almost got kicked in the face.
Yeah, Eric's little bitch ass.
And we're transition. What more? Yourself.
5'6".
Yes, sir. But
I don't think he's.
You know what?
Short king.
You're too good for that.
Short king.
Wow.
Short king. You know what? What do you have to say? You were gonna say something.
I was just gonna add to Veer's point. I wanted to say that about the raindrops. Some hit the leaves, some fall to the ground. The leaves are like stepping stones when you fall past that.
I think it. Okay, so we're going on a hike, and I got the good camera out now, so let's go. The car.
I don't remember. Oh, yeah, I'm a car, obviously.
This guy? Okay, wait. I'm just gonna give y'all money.
Is this like a
money committee?
Monopoly drinking?
I love that.
It didn't move. You threw it. Michael Jordan. Oh, what are we waiting for? Fucking curve, bro.
Bro.
Sophie, you gotta get up, buddy.
Yo, Gustavo, look at the camera, bro.
Shit, like.
Shut the fuck up. Look what we got.
Oh shit.
That's what we got.
Guys, we're somewhat we're deep in the.
Bro, mine's empty.
It's loud, bro. It's loud in here. Anyone want to say anything to the vlog? What time is it, Jake?
Feel this can.
I don't fucking
If
know.
you're ever hot in a hot day,
Look at this cinematography.
Listen, this is an ad now, okay? If you're ever hot in a hot day, touch the can. It's nice and cold. There you go.
Oh, you're screaming.
No, I got you, but don't worry about it.